LS Electric's Cheongju Plant is LS Electric's flagship production site with a total area of 215,000 square meters, approximately 1,500 employees, and a total production value of $1.2 billion. The Cheongju Plant, the largest power equipment production plant in Korea, produces core power equipment installed from power transmission, substation to distribution systems for factories and homes. In particular, Building G of Cheongju Plant 1 produces MCCB and MC and is the most advanced smart factory in Korea. We have established an MES that manages all production data and productivity indicators in real time by combining ICT with a manufacturing process. We have also established an optimized production and quality control system with visual inspection, packaging, and full automation of product transport systems. As a result, productivity has improved by 60%, energy consumption has been reduced by 60%, and customer claims have been reduced by 97%. In addition, by applying a demand prediction system based on big data, we are efficiently responding to the requirements of various customers and producing products that meet a global standard of performance and reliability. LS Electric Cheongju Plant will lead the global market by becoming a more efficient and innovative company through digital transformation. LS Electric.